Everywhere I turn these days, there's A-Able on the job. Because for most homeowners, there's always something that needs to be done. I know I couldn't do without them. There's nothing more important to me than my family and our home. That's why in these uncertain times, A-Able's family of services is so reassuring. Their prices are competitive, their technicians are well trained, and you're dealing with people you trust, not different companies or subs all the time. A-Able, because
it's always something, Sally.